Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mike. This is Matt's vlog. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Mike_Raul96. And today we have an interesting topic. First off, I'll speak about the history of Swahili language. So basically, Swahili language is a mixture of Bantu, that is the African language, most spoken under the sub-Saharan region, and also Arabic. Arabic because Tanzania was a bit colonized by the Arabs back in the days. So there is a mixed up of Bantu and Arabic mixed up together and then forming Swahili. Also, Swahili has some local tribal languages in Tanzania. For example, words like bunge, which means the parliament, which is basically from the central part of Tanzania called Dodoma. They speak a language called Gogo. So basically, they took the direct word from their tribe and just placed it into Swahili. So Swahili is a bit complex, but not that complex. I'll get deep into it. We'll speak more about it. So Swahili language is the second most spoken language in Africa after Arabic. So you can see these two are a bit related. Swahili has a mixed up a bit of Arabic, and Arabic is the first most spoken language in Africa. Second is Swahili. Swahili is spoken in so many countries, like Tanzania, which is the official language. There is Kenya, there is Uganda, there is Rwanda, Burundi, Congo. So basically, if you master Swahili, you'll be able to navigate in most of the East African countries because most of the people there, they speak Swahili. That's like the major language. If you speak English a bit, some places they won't understand you. So basically, understanding Swahili is the key if you want to go to East Africa. That's the best part. So, as I said, it's the second most spoken language. There are a lot of universities in the world that teach Swahili. There are universities in Germany that teach Swahili, universities in USA that teach Swahili. So basically, it's a very, very, very popular language. You go to Oman, most people there, they speak Swahili because it's a bit related to Arabic. Like we have a lot of Arabic words there, like shukran, all those are Arabic, but, there is something in Swahili we say kukopa, like we actually learnt the words from Arabic and then direct put them into Swahili. So words like shukran, those words are directly Arabic, but then they just learnt into Swahili and they are made official as Swahili words. So basically that's it. So Swahili is so popular. Mastering Swahili is like you've mastered a language that will help you navigate in most parts of the East, Central, and a bit of southern part of Africa. So now let's learn some Swahili words. I know you're all curious to know some Swahili words. So let's learn some Swahili words. The first part I'll teach is greetings. Greetings, greetings, greetings. Greetings are very, very, very important. So there is greetings for the youth and there is greetings for the elders. So I'll start with the youth. So if you're meeting a youth who speaks Swahili, you tell them mambo and then they will respond poa. So mambo is like, how are you? And then poa is, I'm fine. So it's very fast and easy way to greet. Mambo, poa. So it's easy. And if you're meeting an elder, the way to greet them is to say shikamo. 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 And then the elder will respond marhaba. Shikamo is you paying respect to the elder. So I hope you've learned some greetings. Meet any Swahili person, anyone you know speaks Swahili, tell them mambo for the youth. Mambo, mambo. And then they'll tell you poa. Or if they tell you mambo, you say poa. You can also put your hand like this, the thumb. Mambo, and then you say poa. It means I'm fine, I'm good. Yeah. You meet an elder, you tell them shikamo for the elders, shikamo. if an elder is being greeted by a very young child, most of the elders, they would put their head down like this, and then the young child would put their hand on top, and then while putting the hand on top, the young child would say shikamo, and then the elder will respond marhaba, marhaba. So that's how it is. That's Swahili. It's a bit easy. It's very easy to understand. The words are straight. There is no tone marks here. It's quite easy. So now we are going to learn numbers. So one thing before we get to numbers, there is a way of greeting the youth in the streets. If you want to sound more like a native Swahili, greet the youth in the street. You find them in the street and you're like, inakuaje, inakuaje, and then they'll tell you shwari, shwari. Shwari is like fine. Shwari means fine. So you meet them and you're like inakuaje, and then they'll tell you shwari. So that's like it's like a street language, but you sound more native when you say inakuaje and then they'll tell you shwari. Or when they tell you mambo and then you say shwari. So you sound more native than saying mambo poa, because everybody can say mambo poa. That's it. So now we're going to learn about numbers. So numbers in Swahili are quite easy. The way I pronounce is how they are written. Everything I pronounce is how it's written. So 1 is moja, moja. That's 1, moja. 2 is mbili, mbili. 3 is tatu, tatu, tatu. 4 is nne. Put your tongue up. Nne. Double N-E. Nne. 5 is tano, tano. And 6 is sita, sita. 7 is saba, saba. 8 is nane, nane. That's 8. 9 is tisa, tisa, tisa. And 10 is kumi, kumi. So we start again. Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi. So those are the easiest numbers from 1 to 10. So most of these numbers, you'll be hearing them, they'll be repeated most of the time. So those are the easiest numbers, 1 to 10. Moja, 1 is moja, 2, 10. Moja mpaka kumi. As you remember, 10 is kumi. So 1 to 10. Moja mpaka kumi. 1 to 10. So those are the easy numbers. For 11 to 20, there is a different sequence. 11 is kumi na moja. So it's like 10 plus 1. Kumi na. It's like, na is like with. 10 with 1. Kumi na moja. So it's like kumi, which is 10, and then moja is 1. So kumi na moja. So it makes 11. So 12 is kumi na mbili. So that makes it 12. 13 is kumi na tatu. So that's 13. 14 is kumi na nne. That's 14. So it's basically like you add up the numbers. 15 is kumi na tano. 16 is kumi na sita. 17 is kumi na saba. 18 is kumi na nane. And 19 is kumi na tisa. So you see, it's very easy. It's like you take the 10 and then plus 1. 10 plus 2. But you just add the word na in between the two numbers. So kumi na tisa. It's like kumi is 10, and then tisa is 9. So kumi na tisa makes it 19. So next time we'll go on from 20 onwards. 20 is ishirini, but that one will be for the next lesson. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at MikeRowell96. I'll be posting what will be the next content. Follow up me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. There is so much content to come. Swahili is so interesting, trust me. Once you master just a bit of it, you just be wanting to learn every day. Trust me, this is the best language. I think it'll be the best language in the world. I'm proud to be speaking Swahili. This is the best language.